The love of cooking started for me at a young age. And that was always a calling for me. As an executive chef, I spend 25 to 35% of my time actually cooking. I spend a lot of my time, monitoring numbers, and making sure costs stay in line, and doing R&D work. What's going to be the next good thing to put on the menu? I have a great quality of life, but I work hard for everything I have, and I push my staff every day. I've had plenty of jobs in my day. As resume builders, to gain experience, to work under different chefs, to learn new techniques, to grow in this business, to get an opportunity to be a chef. That confidence was given to me at a young age. One of my ScholarshipBuilder coordinators at the time, Audrey Epperson, happens to be one of the greatest influences in my life. She was that fierce, strong force of, this is the right thing to do, this is how you do it, and this is how you achieve it. You want to attain success, these are the steps you need to take. I was told that I'm supposed to be the best at a young age. It's never gone away. I don't think it ever is going to leave me. That made me the chef I am today, made me the person I am, gave me the confidence I need to be successful in this business.